How to replace a green screen in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can replace a green screen in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So removing a green screen is really easy in CapCut. So open up your CapCut first and then you can start a new project. I'll just use a project that's already in my projects. So all you have to do after you start a project is import a background. So this photo right here is my background. After you have your proper background, what you can then do is simply download a video with your green screen. So as you can see, this is my video with green screen. Simply import it like I did here, side by side, and then simply select the green screen video. After you select it, there you'll find an overlay button. So simply search for the overlay option here and tap on it. It will just send the video down. Now make sure that you lay it over here like this. So this is what we need to do. Just overlay it. And after you do that, here select the video and you can adjust it to the size that you want. So I'll just adjust it this much and I want it this big. After you do that, make sure that you've selected this very video, and here you'll need to scroll until you find remove background option. Tap on remove background and there you'll find an option called chroma key. Tap on chroma key, and after you tap on chroma key you will be able to simply drag and select a color. So drag and select the green color right here, and after you select the green color, it's really easy. Tap on done. And all you have to now do is play the video, and as you can see, you have just replaced the green screen in CapCut with your background. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for today's video. Now you can export this video and you keep it in your gallery and use it however you'd like. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.